Hey YouTube fans, it's David here from DP Computing. I haven't been around for a while. I haven't done any of these unboxings for a while because I've just been busy with family and work and things, but here I am back to do another unboxing. This time we've got a HP Pavilion X360 convertible. This one's the 14-DH1098TU model, and it's a Core i3 processor, 256 gig SSD, 8 gig of RAM, no optical drive, Windows 10, touchscreen, multi-touch enabled, 14-inch HD LED display. If you can see a bit more of the details there. So we've just got ordinary box, HP box. I'll start opening it. Yeah. So there we can see. So this side here we've got, looks like all the power. So in just a little cardboard container comes out. So we've just got the main power adapter and a clover leaf adapter, and this is the Australian power cable or end there. The power adapter is here. You can see that. Clover leaf at that end, then just the little cable there. Let's see how good my eyes are. It's upside down, just a 45 watt power adapter, and let me see if we can find the actual settings. Typical, it's a pain. It's just a HP spare 741727-001, and I can't see. Oh, here we are, right down the bottom. Input 240 volt. I'm just trying to find the output. 9.5 volt, 2.31 amp at 45 watts. So that's just the power adapter there. I'll just pop them to one side. So there's nothing else in the box. And here we have a HP Worldwide Limited Warranty specifications and the setup instructions. And the other side, there we go. Then we've got the actual unit. Again, we just got a little sticker we need to cut through. So there's the top of the system. There we are. The bottom, the back, one side, the other side. Then we'll open it up. It's supposed to be a 360, so it should go flat. And just a little cover for the keyboard. And there we have it. There's no number pad or anything on this one. Down the side, I'll just turn it around a bit so you can see a bit more of the keyboard and everything there. So on the back itself, got no ports because it's a 360 one. On this side, we've got the SD card reader. Looks like a USB-C, normal USB, HDMI, and power. On the other side, we've got USB, headphone jack, and it looks like the power button just there. So, as I said, it's a flip or a 360 sort of turn around mount for the display, so you can turn it into like a tablet. So there we have it. there is your HP Pavilion. What does it say on the bottom here? Anything here? Anything exciting? Just HP Pavilion x360 convertible, model number, serial number. Just a grill there and there. So there you have it. There's a HP unboxing of the x360 convertible. And just by chance, I've got another one of these, which is just the, I believe it's the, let me have a look. So here's another box. Should be exactly the same model, but this one's just the Pentium Silver processor in it with 128 gig RAM, 128 gig SSD, sorry, 4 gig of RAM, no optical drive, Windows 10 Home, touch screen. It's got Windows 10 Home in S mode. Ooh. So don't know about that, but because it's that one, I'll do it in another time. Thank you, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.